Yes, they most certainly do if you take the time to make your own. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a sin-free tomato ketchup, a small sin garlic mayo, and a sin-free curry sauce. So firstly, place 1 chopped large onion into a saucepan and 2 chopped celery sticks. Then add 30 milliliters of water and some salt and a couple of sprays of low-calorie cooking spray. Cook over a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Add a 400 gram can of chopped tomatoes and 300 grams of passata. Add 1 large chopped up roasted red pepper from a jar. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Then you want to blend it all up together. Now you can leave it at this point so you can have a chunkier ketchup, or you can press through a sieve if you want a smoother texture. And this will keep fresh into the fridge for up to 2 weeks. 1 tablespoon of lighter than light mayonnaise is half a sin, so I'm going to put 4 tablespoons into a container and find a very small clove of garlic. Press that through a garlic press, give it a mix, and you have a very simple garlic mayonnaise. Now, depending on how garlicky you would like your mayonnaise, you can add more or less garlic if you wish. Spray a pan with low-calorie cooking spray and pop it over a medium heat. Add 1 roughly chopped onion and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Then you need to add 1 centimeter piece of root ginger which has been peeled and finely grated, and cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder and cook for a further minute. Add a 400 gram can of chopped tomatoes, 60 milliliters of boiling vegetable stock, and 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Bring that all to the boil. Once it's boiled, reduce the heat and simmer for 12 to 15 minutes. Then you want to blend it all together until it is smooth. Then finally add 50 grams of fat-free natural fromage frais and give it a mix. And leftover curry sauce can be kept in the fridge covered for up to 3 days. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now you kind of need something to dip into it, right? So if you check out this video here, you will not be disappointed.